Traditional cutting, eating profit. Moving, cutting, stocking, shipping, all cost. Every step, every dollar, all that wastes a money pit. Every bill screams old school socks. Inventory piling up, cash stock on shelves. You need low cost and high efficiency? Now. You need this, the coil laser cutter. 3 kilowatt laser power, cuts 1 millimeter steel at 35 meters a minute, 120 meters per minute. Rapid move, 3 to 5 times faster than old gear, runs 24/7. For auto, run all day. Machine works, you rest. Time is profit and time delivers. Smart nesting software, material usage up to 95 to 99. Less scrap, more profit. No dies, no middleman, no stockpile. Total operating cost cut by 30%. One operator, huge labor savings. Flattening accuracy more or less 0.2 millimeter per meter. Autofocus, smart follow control, all built-in. Smooth edges, no burrs. Precision down to more or less 0.05 millimeter. No dies, just load or driving and switch instantly. From 0.6 millimeter to 5 millimeter, rock solid. One machine, all jobs. 3 core parts, 1 complete line. This is uncoiler, uncoils automatically. This is flatteners, and this is the cutter. The coiler is synced with flattener and cutter. Uncoiler auto feeds sheet into flattener. Coil gets flattened, then fed precisely to cutting zone. Flattener kills material stress from the road. Better flatteners, higher yield. 1540 conveyor cutting table. Slits come off. And easy swap and service. Table rotates after cut. Parts drop straight into collection area. Micro joint, no falling parts. One snap, they are free. One click, cut off, scrap collection, fast and easy. Precision direction, accurate, efficient, a beast. Positioning more or less 0.02 millimeter, 3 kilowatt laser, 1 millimeter steel at 35 meters per minute. Position, flattening, and feeding, smooth and spot on. Smart control system, real-time monitoring, auto optimization. Big range auto parts, appliance panels, electric cabinets, air ducts. Handles small batches, high mix, top quality. From 0.6 millimeter to 5 millimeter. Soiled cuts, stainless, carbon, aluminum, no problem. LaserMen, high-end laser equipment maker. LaserMen 1540 coil laser cutter, cuts cost, boosts efficiency, leaves quality. Laser changes life.